the sheet. Blame it on you.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little first impressions video on some products from Anastasia Beverly Hills because I received a humongous PR package from them. So I'm trying some palettes, not some palettes, but I'm trying a palette, I'm trying some pigments, some bronzer, some brushes, some everything. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I get this cool little bronzed matte eyes, glowy skin look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by doing my base makeup first. No, I'm not. I really lied. I lied. Okay, so I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of Anastasia Beverly Hills products because I just got a gigantic ABH PR package yesterday. So I have a lot of products to use and try. Anyways, so I'm gonna be trying out a bunch of different things today, but I'm gonna be trying out this soft glam palette from ABH, and it's really gorgeous. Like, this is like a beautiful palette for like neutrals and like all that stuff, and I wanted to do like a neutral brown, like smoky liner type of situation, like a soft smoky wing, if you will. Priming my lids with some concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my lids. I'm gonna be picking up the shade Sienna, which is this, like, you know, the shade right here. I'll blend it. First I'm like patting it. I don't really like this brush. And blended it up to my brow as well. And then I'm going to take the shade Cypress Umber, which is like a darker brown. Hopefully it shows up correctly. And I just want to use that to deepen up the crease and outer third a little bit. Orange Soda, which is the shade right here. I'm gonna pop that right on the lid. First impression of these shadows are, honestly, they're like super buttery. Like, whoa, I was not expecting that. Honestly, I feel like a lot of people talk about Anastasia shadows and say that they're like super powdery, but yo, they look good. Like, they're blending really well. So I'm really into this. Like, of course they're powdery on the actual palette. Like, I can see a little bit of kickback on the palette, but I don't really mind that. Like, I don't really care for if there's kickback or not. So I'm gonna take a Maybelline eye pencil, and this is the Tattoo Studio gel pencil liner in the shade Bold Brown. I'm gonna use that to line my lid, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of Sienna once again on this A14 brush. And I'm just gonna like blend over top of it just a little bit. Just like blend. Does that make sense? That literally didn't make any sense. Like, okay. I'm just trying to blend it out a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna take a little bit of Noir, which is the black, and I'm just gonna go like really close to the lash line and just smoke this out. I'm finally gonna be trying out the new pigments. Yay! Ooh. I'm gonna try the shade Sand, which is this shade right here. I love this packaging. Look how it has like a little thing, you open it. Love that. We really do love that. Do y'all see that? Oh my god. That's beat, period. That's beat. That's beat. Okay, now that the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. So let's do that. I'm gonna take my Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer today. I haven't used this in a while, and I'm like, girl, what are you doing? Like, this was my shit. Now I'm gonna take the Anastasia Dewy Set Spray. Yeah, this setting spray, and it's really pretty. Look how nice this packaging is. Ooh, it smells good. Take some of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 368 Golden, Deep Golden. I'm taking my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Tan. Duh. What's new? And I want my under eyes like extra bright because you know I've been loving that lately. I'm gonna take this down my nose as well. Don't want to put it on my forehead. Maybe just a little. Just a little bit on the forehead. And then the chin. Around the mouth area. Like. Now I'm going to take my RCMA No Color Powder to set my under eye concealer. And I'm only setting under my eyes. I don't really set the rest of my face, as you guys all know. So, yeah. Now I'm going to be trying out the ABH bronzer in the shade Mahogany. I have never tried their bronzer before, so it's going to be new. I don't know if this is going to show up, so we're just going to see if it does. I'm going to take this A20 Pro Large Powder Brush to do the bronzing today, and I'm kind of scared about it. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, wait, it's actually showing up. Wait, I'm like, what? Wait, this is literally showing up though. Okay, so that bronzer was just a little bit too close to my skin tone, but it worked really well for my nose contour. So I just did a little bit of nose contour. So I'm just gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, and I'm gonna take these two brown shades right here just to deepen up the bronze, because you know I need that bronze in my life, baby. You know? Yeah, I already put some of the Juvia's Place bronzer on. I'm just putting a little bit more now, so y'all can see. But yeah, the Anastasia one is just a little bit too close to my skin tone, so it doesn't really do much for me. So it's still nice and pretty, but it's just not deep enough. Blush, I'm gonna just keep using that same A20 brush, but I'm gonna take the Anastasia blush in the shade Berry Adore, and I'm just gonna swirl my brush into these two. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that on my cheeks. Just a little bit of that. We love blush, honestly. For highlighter, I'm gonna spray my face one more time before I apply a little bit of highlighter on. Cool. Then I'm gonna take the Glow Kit. Okay. I'm gonna take the Glow Kit and I'm gonna take the shade Bronzed and Summer. I'm just gonna mix these two. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the eye so I can do some smokiness in the lower lash line. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back in, up in here. Okay, so I'm gonna take that same Soft Glam from before, and I'm gonna be picking up Cypress Umber. Whoa. Picking up this shade right here. And I'm gonna be popping that on the lower lash line. I'm actually gonna take this Maybelline Tattoo Studio White Gel Liner in my waterline, mixed in with a little bit of a mauve pink lip liner. I'm gonna take the lip liner first. And put that in my waterline. I'm gonna take the white now. And this is the Better Than Sex mascara from, what is this? Too Faced. I'm gonna try out the, that new babes, that new. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna try out the Shimmer body oil. Okay, we're gonna try out this body oil. So I'm just gonna spray it on myself. Oh, look at that. Yes. Okay, period. Oh, period, mama. I'm gonna like do a different lip because I feel like the other lip was too pink for my liking. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Starfish. So hopefully this looks correct. This is exactly what I needed. Now I'll put some gloss over top of it. Some Fenty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. It's pink, but it'll do. Period. This is what we needed. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Final thoughts on these Anastasia products. I really love this palette. Like, whoa, this Soft Glam palette is gonna be my new favorite because it's bomb. Like, the shadows were super buttery and easy to blend. I didn't have any problems with like it being dusty or like powdery. I was a little afraid for that because I knew about the whole like other scandal with their what was it? What palette was it? It was that other palette, you know, that had all that scandal. But this was really good to work with. I actually really love the formula of this eyeshadow palette. So definitely gonna be keeping this for like my go-to neutral palette because it's very neutral and it's super pretty, and the shades actually showed up on my eyes, so that's a plus. So yeah, love the palette. The pigment, love. I only use it on my inner corner because I just wanted to keep my eyes pretty matte. But we stand the pigments because it's really beautiful and pigmented. Great, I love it. What else? The setting spray, bomb. I don't look powdery. I feel like I look matte, but I also still have that like youthful glow because I didn't want to do too crazy dewy. I still want it to be my nice matte that you guys know that I love doing matte. So I just wanted to honestly just try this out, just to try it out, because I like spraying my face even though I like being matte. So I like this little dewy spray. And then the shimmery body oil. Y'all, this is shimmery, like, period. This is so cute, and I really love that they came out with this because it looks really good, as y'all can see. Okay, let's see. Yes, it's really bomb and I love it. Like, wow, what else did I use? Oh, the brushes were really soft. Love the brushes. The bronzer I could definitely go without because it's not my skin tone. So I did see that she tweeted that they're gonna expand the bronzer, so that's a plus because I like the formula of the bronzer. It's nice and powdery, not powdery, but like it's nice and like velvety and smooth, and like a really good bronzer formula, but it's just not my shade. It's too close to my skin tone. Maybe if they would expand it, that would be great because I really like the bronzer itself. Like, it's good, but just not my shade. But other than that, everything else was pretty good and pretty standard. Like, it's really good products that I've got going on. But yeah, like, special shout out to Norvina, Natalia, and just the whole ABH team in general, because y'all did that. Like, y'all sent me a big ass package. Like, y'all, I've been trying to get on the fucking PR list for years, like literally years, and I'm finally on it after all these years of doing makeup. So yeah, shout out to Anastasia, Beverly Hills, the whole team. Love you guys. Like, thank you guys so much. I don't want to crack in my face and beat. But anyways, really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys like these types of videos where I just try a bunch of products from like one brand, or just like trying new products in general, leave me a comment down below. And yeah, I'll leave all the products that I use in this video in the description box down below for you guys to check out, along with some coupon codes. And you guys can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, all at Makeup by Shania, and I'll see you guys in the next video.